Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to help you out with how to add blue notes on Instagram with kiss emoji. For that, launch your Instagram application and then tap on your profile icon in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Now over here you will be able to see your profile icon, and just top of it, as you can see that we have the notes option. So in order to make your notes blue, you first have to add the kiss emoji. For that, tap on the emoji icon on your keyboard, and you can even use the search bar in your keyboard and you can search for kiss. After that, you will be able to see the kiss emoji, so you just have to simply add the kiss emoji first and then you can type any of the messages that you want. Now you need to tap on the share button in the top right hand corner of the screen, and if I show you by making my account light, I'm gonna show it to you like it will come in the blue color, and it will also show you the kiss emoji. But since my account is in dark mode, that's why the blue color is not showing to you. So let me first change it to the light color, and as you can see that this is the kiss emoji. And if I delete it and if I try to add it again, you just have to use the kiss emoji over here and share, and this will turn blue. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.